Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Selalu bangun tidur. Kat library ke tu? Kat library ke? Oh, ada kat ada kat ada kat surau tu. Okey okey, yang kat surau tu terus agak off tu kamera. Apa off tu speaker tu. Okey, Safwan. Off speaker tu. Bunyi baca Quran belakang tu. Okey. So kita mulalah kot. Alright. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning to everyone. As usual, we begin session with dua al-Fatiha. Okay, so I chose a few questions from tutorial, question 8, 9, and 10. And then one of the question from PSPM in your tutorial book. So class, I have sent a link of videos last night. Okay, last night I sent a link of video to all my classes. Is a video regarding on the discussion of topic 8, question number 5, 6, 7, and a few question, one or two question from from the subtopic of discrete random variable. Question 3, 5, and 12, if I'm not mistaken. Then okay, 3, 5, and 6. So your video part 1 semalam, I hope that you may watch by yourself. And today we continue with the question of 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Are you all ready? Class, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so now the cumulative distribution function, cumulative meaning terkumpul or accumulate. Okay, so now this is the function of cumulative distribution function of discrete random variable, and from here we are going to transform into the probability distribution function. So then for x less than 0, which is equal to 0, here it is 0 here, and then for x in between 0 until 1, so then the probability of this x equal to 1 over 10. So then for x in between 1 and 2, where it is actually property of x equal to 2. Okay, accumulate. Accumulate means that from 1, okay, this is 1 over 10. So for this part, where actually is already 1 over 10 plus with something. 1 over 10 plus with something that give you 3 over 10. So just bring up here minus 1 over 10, then y equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2 over 10. So this is 2 over 10. Okay, where x from 2 until 3. Okay, where this is actually property of x equal to 3 and 2 over 5. 2 over 5, 5 times 2, and then 2 times 2 equal to 4 over 10. Okay, for this one here, we actually 2 over 5 or 4 over 10. Okay, so then just imagine that we have 4 over 10 and 3 over 10. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1 over 10. Then, where x in between 4 or 3 and 4. 4 property of x equal to 4. Hmm, class, which I think that I make a mistake just now. Okay, for this where x greater than or equal to 0. So supposedly this x equal to 0. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then this is x equal to 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 9 over 10. 9 over 10 with 4 over 10. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 over 10. And then when x greater than or equal to 4, or actually x equal to 4 here, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, where is 1 here is 10 out of 10. So 10 minus 10, 1 minus 9 over 10, 1 minus 9 over 10, which is 10 over 10 minus 9 over 10 equal to 1 over 10. Okay, so now find the find the probability distribution function of fx. So if I transform this into a table here, okay, x and probability of x equal to an x, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 1 out of 10, 5 out of 10, and 1 out of 10. Okay, I may write this in this form of table here, or I may also write in this function of probability of fx. Let's see, how many we have 1 over 10 here? 1, 2, 3. 1 out of 10 for x equal to 0, 2, 4. And then 2 out of 10 for x equal to 1. And 5 out of 10 for x equal to 4. And 0 otherwise. Okay, so find the probability distribution function of fx. This is in the form of table, and this is in the form of function. Class, please. Can you please make a checking if this correct or not? Saya takut saya tersilap apa tafsir sikit ke? Sekejap. Sekejap Okay, there you go. 1 out of 10, 1 over 5, or 2 out of 10, and 1 over 2, 5 out of 10. 5 or 5 out of 10 is 1 over 2 and 1 over 5. There you go. Okay. So now, class, find the median and the mode. What is median here? Class, what is the median?
Sir, median dia 3.
Apa dia median? 3.
3.
Alright, median equal to 3. Mode?
Mode pun 3.
Okay. Mode equal to 3. What is the value of mode that repeat most? 1 out of 10, right? 1 out of 10, it repeat 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So then property of x equal to an x, 1 out of 10 for x equal to 0 to 4, and then 2 out of 10 or 1 over 5 for x equal to 1, and 5 out of 10 for x equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so now calculate property of x 1, 4. Okay, so can you please list down what is the probability that involved in this question here?
Sir,
Yeah.
Px equal to 2.
Okay, 2.
2. X equal to 3
Uh-huh.
dengan X equal to 4.
Okay, what about 1? Does it include 1 here?
Tak.
Okay, so x greater than only. Good. So it is now property of x equal to 2 plus property of x equal to 3 plus property of x equal to 4. So property of x equal to 2, which is 1 over 10. X equal to 3. Where is 3 here? 0, 1, 2. Wait a minute. Kenapa ada 4 dua kali ni? 0 to 4. Is this 3?
Yang tu 3, sir.
3, okay. Okay, this is 3. So then x equal to 3, 5 out of 10 plus property of x equal to 4, 1 out of 10. So 5, 6, and 7 out of 10. And determine the variance. So determine the variance, we need to find the mean first, okay? Variance of x equal to expected of x squared minus expected of x in bracket squared. So we are going to find this, two of these separately one by one. Okay. So now expected of x, which is 0 times with 1 over 10, 0 times 1 over 10, plus 1 times 2 out of 10, plus 2 times 1 out of 10, plus 3 times 5 out of 10, plus 4 times 1 out of 10, plus, okay, that's it. Only until 4 only. Okay, can somebody tell me what is the value of this? Automatically, this is 0, so it is 1 times 2, 2 times 1, 3 times 5, 4 times 1 equal to 4. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4, plus 4 equal to 8, 8 plus 15, 23 out of 10. Okay, expected of x squared, which is 0 squared times 1 of 10, plus 1 squared times 2 out of 10, plus 2 squared times 1 over 10, plus 3 squared times 5 out of 10, plus 4 squared times 1 out of 10, equal to, automatically again, this is 0. So 1 squared is 1 times 2, 2 out of 10. 2 squared equal to 4 times 1, 4 out of 10. 3 squared is 9, 9 times 5, 45 out of 10. Plus 4 squared is 16 times 1, 16 out of 10. Equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 6, 16, 22. 22 plus 45, 62, 67 out of 10. So then now, substitute here, 67 out of 10 minus 23 out of 10 squared. Okay, use your calculator to find the variance of this.
Saya 1.41.
1.41. Okay. Okay, you may either leave it in decimal or in fraction. Which one? Okay, what about the fraction, Chad? Okay. Never mind, you may find out, recall the answers in, recall in fraction here, pecahan. So variance of variance of 3 minus x equal to variance with a constant equal to 0, and this one negative 1 square times variance of x. So negative 1 squared is 1. So variance x equal to 1.41. Okay, so solution for question 8. Okay, Bank Rakyat organized a fishing competition which involved 30 participants. At the end, the result is shown below. Show that y equal to 4. So this is x, and then this is a frequency. Frequency, okay. How do we read this table? Okay, there are 30 participants and 3 participants, 3 peserta, who get only 1 fish each of them. Okay, 3 persons and each of them get only 1 fish, 1 fish, and 1 fish. So, how many of them getting 2 fish? Get 2 fish, 5 of them. And then get 3 fish, 2y, and so on. So, given that 30 participants, so then the frequency of participants 3 plus 5 plus 2y plus y plus 6 plus 4 equal to 30. So 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Plus 4 equal to 18. 2y plus y, 3y equal to 30 minus 18 equal to 12. So then y equal to 4. So if I rewrite the table again, okay, number of fish, and then frequency of participants, one, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. So frequency of participants here, 3, 5, 2y, y equal to 4, so 2 times 4 equal to 8, 4, 6, and 4. Again, let's see whether the total of the frequency of participants, kekerapan peserta dia yang memancing. 3 plus 5 equal to 8, 8 plus 8 equal to 16, plus 4 equal to 20, plus 6, 26, plus 4 equal to 30. All right, now, so what is the probability of X here? Class, what about this? The probability of X getting fish here, which is 3 out of 30, 5 out of 30, 8 out of 30, 4 out of 30, 6 out of 30, and 4 out of 30. Yeah. Question. Question berapa ni? Question 9. Okay, question 9. Okay. Show that y equal to 4. Show that probability of x equal to 3. Show that probability of x equal to 3, where x equal to 3 here is 8 out of 30, and divide by 2 equal to 4 and out of 15. There you go. So find the expected of x. Expected of x. So again, expected of x equal to, so the number of fish here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So referring to this one with 3 out of 30, 2 with 5 of 30, 3 with 8 of 30, 4 with 4 of 30, 5 with 6 of 30, and 6 with 4 out of 30. So then 1 times 3 out of 30 plus 2 times 5 out of 30 plus 3 times 8 out of 30 plus 4 times 4 out of 30 plus 5 times 6 out of 30 plus 6 times 4 out of 30. And the total is, come on, any of you?
Saya 3.567.
7.567.
3 point.
3 point. 3 point.
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay. And variance of x, variance, we need to find another of this. Expected of square, 1 square times 3 out of 10 plus 2 square times 5 out of 30. Kenapa 10 pula sini? 30 lah. Okay, plus 3 square times 8 out of 30 plus 4 square times 4 out of 30 plus 5 square times 6 out of 30 plus 6 square times 4 out of 30. And the total is
15.1.
15.1. So then, variance of x, again, expected of x squared, 15.1 minus expected of x, 3.567 squared, equal to
2.377.
okay, 2.377. There you go. Okay, let X be number of cars randomly selected auto machine repairs on a given day. Okay, find the mean and standard deviation. So now, the probability here is given them. So summation of all probabilities of X equal to 1. Let's say 0.05 plus 0.22 plus 0.4 plus 0.23 plus 0.1. Does it equal to 1 here? 0.1 plus 0.4, 0.5, 0.5, 0.72, and then 0.72, 82, 92, 0.95, and then 0.95 and 0.05 equal to 1. Yes, that's it. So find mean and standard deviation. So what about mean? Mean is expected of x, which is 2 times 0.05 plus 3 times 0.22 plus 4 times 0.4 plus 5 times 0.23 plus 6 times 0.1. And the total is
4.11, sir.
4.11. So to find standard deviation, we need to find the variance first. So to find the variance, which is expected of x squared minus expected of x squared. Okay. I keep repeating the process of this again and again, which I think that I do believe that all of you know what to do. Okay, 2 squared times 0.05 plus 3 squared times 0.22 plus 4 squared times 0.4 plus 5 squared times 0.23 plus 6 squared times 0.1.
4 square.
Farah, kamu mewakili semua ke ni? Kamu seorang yang bunyi.
Tak tahu lah, sir.
Mana yang lain suara tak ada ni? Mewakili seorang semua, mewakili satu kelas. Mana suara yang lain?
Saya tengah menulis, sir.
Yelah, nulis pun bagilah jawapan sama, takkan seorang tu wakil. Okay, expected
Kalkulator
of
saya
x.
rosak, sir.
Okay, expected of x squared.
17.93.
17.93. So then, x bar variance, which is 17.93 minus expected of x, 4.11 square equal to
1 point... Sir, saya rasa yang X square tadi tu ada salah sikit.
this one. Berapa?
Nak tekan. Tak boleh sir. Jawapan dia 1.038.
1.038. Are you all agree with this?
Agree,
Right.
agree.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, then agree, yeah. Okay, so standard deviation, square root of 1.038 equal to
1.019.
1.019. Okay, so one of the question from the list of PSPM, question 12, discrete random variable x for t discrete function given by the following table, given the mean of x. Okay, now the mean is 2/3. So which means that expected of x, or the mean here, is 2/3. So now -2 times 1/15 plus -1 times r plus 0 times 1/5 plus 1 times s plus 2 times 1/3 equal to 2/3. Automatically this is 0. Okay, what about this -2/15 minus r plus s plus 2/3 equal to 2/3. Bring this and this to the side, join up what we call 2/3 here minus 2/3 plus 2/15. Cut these two, and then you got s minus r equal to 2/15. Equation 1. Okay, class. Because we have two variables, r and s, and according to the question, we only have one clue where given the mean or the expected of x is 2/3. So to find two variables, we need at least two equations. So what's another question that might come to your mind? Do you find and can you think of another what is the clue for another equation?
Sir, probability semua tu sama dengan 1.
Okay, good. So the total of probabilities equal to 1. So the 1/15 plus r plus 1/5 plus s plus 1/3 equal to 1. So 15, 5, and 3. Make it 15 here, 1 plus 5 times 3, so 1 times 3. 3 times 5, so 1 times 5, plus r plus s equal to 1. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 plus 1 equal to 9/15 plus r plus s equal to 1. So r plus s equal to 1 minus 9/15. 15/15 minus 9/15. 15 minus 9, 6/15. Equation 2. So now, this one is negative r plus s. Equation 1 and equation 2. So, which method do you prefer with? Elimination or substitution?
Substitution, sir.
Substitution.
Okay, so equation 1. Okay, I choose elimination. Okay, so we got negative r plus s equal to 2/15 and r plus s equal to 6/15 minus. So negative r minus r, negative 2r, s minus s, 0. So 2 minus 6, negative 4/15. Then r equal to negative 4/15 divided by negative 2. Bring up here become negative 1/2. So negative times negative positive. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. R equal to 2/15. So when R is 2/15, R here is 2/15. So 2 bring inside become negative. So 6 minus 2, S equal to 4/15. 15. There you go. So rewrite everything, the table that okay. X, probability of X equal to an X, okay. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 1 over 15, R equal to 2 over 15, 0, 1 over 5, S 4 over 15, 2, 1 over 3. If I change everything here into what do we call a fraction of over 15, it is 3 out of 15. And then 3 times 5, 5 over 15. So look at this now. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 ada tanda ke? Class, can you please find where the mistake is? Okay. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Okay, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. There you go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, find probability of x less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0, the including 0, so we got 0, -1, and -2. So we got 1 over 15 plus 2 over 15 plus 3 over 15. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6 over 15. And variance, which I think that we repeat the process again and again and again. So I leave it we call this question to all of you. Okay, try to find the solution on your own. So class, which I think that is a session of our class for this morning. Okay, with 3 questions of peer tutorial and 1 question of PSPM. Okay, so you may refer to the videos yesterday, question 5, 6, 7, and then 2 questions from the discrete random variable part 1. And today I continue with question 8, 9, 10, and then question 12 from PSPM. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. Okay, get ready for next class. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Laju je bunyi thank you dah habis.